Unraveling life hacks, a simple guide to a complex phrase. Hello, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into a very interesting and popular term that you might have heard before: life hack. This phrase has become quite common in today's digital world, and it's used in various contexts. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced English learner, understanding this phrase is crucial because it reflects a significant aspect of modern culture. So, let's get started. Life hack is a phrase composed of two words, life and hack. When we break it down, life refers to our everyday existence and routines, while hack is a term borrowed from computer terminology, meaning a clever solution or a shortcut. Together, a life hack refers to a strategy, technique, or shortcut that can make an aspect of one's daily life easier or more efficient. The term life hack was coined by a technology journalist, Danny O'Brien, in 2004. He used it to describe the shortcuts or tricks that programmers use to get their work done faster and more efficiently. However, over time, the phrase has evolved and expanded beyond the tech world, encompassing a wide range of tips and tricks that apply to various aspects of life. To give you a better understanding, let's go through some examples of life hacks. 1. Using a hairdryer to remove a sticker residue. A quick way to remove sticky residue from a surface without scratching it. 2. Using a binder clip to organize cables. A simple solution to keep your charging cables and other wires untangled and easily accessible. 3. Placing a wooden spoon over a pot to prevent boiling over. A handy trick to prevent water or other liquids from boiling over the edge of your pot. These examples reflect how life hacks are all about making life simpler and solving common problems in a clever and efficient manner. And that's a wrap on today's topic, life hacks. We hope this video has been informative and that you now have a clear understanding of what life hacks are and how they can be applied in everyday life. Don't forget to experiment with some life hacks yourself and see how they can make your daily routine easier. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.